Most people think that building a subscription app is just about the code, but it couldn't be more wrong. Because when you launch, you hit a wall. It's not just being able to understand what information is available to you, but actually how to go ahead and action on them. That's why here at Adapty, we've spent the past few years building best-in-class infrastructure and have come to the realization that people want something to do with the data that they have. And that's what we're becoming, the intelligence layer so that you can actually action of the analytics that we give you. If you're new to Adapty or new to the channel, my name is Freddie and I'm on the growth and developer relationships team here in America. And I'm gonna show you exactly what we've been up to this April. So I have a few different updates. The first one is Adapty Mail. This is something that we've been really excited about, but this is a tool that allows you to actually track attribution directly from your apps for different types of campaigns and different types of customers. One of the most continuous problems that we see is trial conversions. What happens if half the people in your trial don't convert? How do we go ahead and retarget them so that they can go ahead and come back into the funnel and we have an opportunity to make them a paid user of our app? The old playbook here was using something like MailChimp or Customer.io, building out the flows in there and using that to retarget the customers. But here we have an all-in-one solution by bringing Adapty Mail into the fray. It's incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is go ahead and paste your App Store link into the AI. It goes ahead and generates an email sequence for you that you can go ahead and target or use for any specific trigger that you have. These triggers include churned customers, trial customers, refund customers, anything of the like. You can literally just go ahead and use Adapty Mail for it and track and attribute who does what. So if you've been letting your trial users churn because building a recovery flow is just too difficult, this literally allows you to do it in less than a few minutes. This next piece that we're really excited about are some of the changes that we're making in our Autopilot feature, and this is our Paywall Diagnostics tool. For those of you that don't know, Autopilot literally just tells you what to experiment with next with your paywalls. This is super easy to use. All you have to do is upload a screenshot of your paywall. Autopilot benchmarks it against top performing apps in your category, and it tells you exactly what to fix with reasoning. It doesn't literally just tell you, try a bigger button. It's actual data on how your paywall deviates from patterns that work and helps it adjust so that you can have the best conversion rates. No more designing tests from scratch. You can now just go ahead and use our data and peer comparisons to go ahead and map your paywalls to the best performing ones in the industry. It's like having a senior monetization consultant look at your paywalls, but you can do it for free, and it takes like 5 seconds. So in addition to Paywall Diagnostics, Autopilot continues to advance. One of the things that we wanted to work really hard on was the reasoning. We actually want to give you real data and real feedback based on the information that you presented to us. So now we have better suggestion guidance within Autopilot. Every Autopilot suggestion spells out why it matters, what to change, and which metrics to watch. There's even a new how to interpret your results section on every hypothesis, so when your test finishes, you actually know if you've gotten the return back. Next, our LTV prediction engine got even smarter. Beforehand, we used to really just focus on cross-app comparisons, but now we can go ahead and use your app's historical data as well. So it's just gonna allow you to make smarter decisions based on what you've done in the past, based on what peers are doing in the industry now, so that you can make the best decisions going forward. And this last one has to do with a very important part of running an app business, and that's user acquisition. So for Adapty UA, we've just allowed all purchase attributions, all download attributions to be relayed to your Meta and TikTok pixels. This matters because it allows Meta and TikTok's audience modeling to get even better. Better lookalikes, better ROAS, sharper retargeting. You have a better scope of data to work with. So if you're running paid social campaigns right now, literally just turn this feature on. And that, my friends, is April. Adapty Mail helps you with recovery. Autopilot helps you with what to fix and how to read the result. And UA helps you scale your paid acquisitions even more. And that's the pattern across everything that we're doing. We're not focused anymore on just being infrastructure. We want to be that intelligence layer that actually guides you to your next steps and allows you to spearhead your growth. Links to everything in the description below if you want to read more, and I'll catch you in the next product updates launch. See you guys.